At Bristol Airport, the maintenance team have an unusual task to complete. A task that needs repeating throughout the day, each day, every day. The water empty station is used in the terminal to dispose of water bottles, drinks bottles and other bottled liquids because passengers are not allowed to take them through the airport security. To help with this problem, the team contacted MAXVAC to purchase a DV120 wet and dry vacuum. The team wheeled the vacuum into the terminal building and up to the departure gate. The M-Class filtered vacuum has been expertly designed for large clean-up operations. Although this vacuum can clean up both wet and dry waste, the team wanted to use it in the terminal to suck up the waste liquid from the water empty station. With a powerful 1200 watt motor, the Wheelie bin vacuum has an incredible suction power, plus with its 120 litre drum and its large diameter hose, it enables the team to quickly and efficiently empty the station and complete their task. Once the team have emptied both sides of the water station, the DV120 is then taken into the lift and safely walked out of the terminal. From here, the team take the vacuum outside and easily drain the liquid by turning the drainage tap at the bottom of the drum. So whatever large cleaning job needs doing, you can be sure that the MAXVAC DV120 MBN will be up to the task. And for the team at Bristol Airport, it's back into the terminal with the Wheelie bin vac.